Hey there, welcome. In this video we're going to start solving Wordle with APL, and the first thing we're going to do is to implement a load function that allows us to load English words into the workspace so that we can work with them. And in order to do that, we're going to make use of a list of words that I have right here, and I think I can open it to give you a sneak peek of what's inside. So as you can see, it's just plenty of different words. I think this is a Scrabble dictionary. And we have 173,000 lines here, so that's a lot of English words. So this is the data that we're going to work with. And what we want to do, like I said, is define a function that allows us to load these words with ease. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the path to this folder right here, and I'm going to change directories over there. And now I'm going to create a link between my workspace and the folder. So now the functions I define here show up in the folder. For example, if I start editing a load function and I close it, then it shows up in my directory. So what does this load function do? The load function is going to take the path to the file, which is going to be on the left, and let's give it a default value. That's exactly the file we have because I'm very lazy. So word.lst. So that's the default value of the file path. And then what we need to do is, well, actually, let's see what we need to do. So the path is this word.lst, right? Now, if you use the function quad and get with the path here and the 1, we get to see all of the lines in the file. So these are the lines in the file, and the first 10 lines look like this. Now the thing is, for Wordle we only care about the words that have 5 characters. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these lines and check the length of each word, because if we do so, if we do a tally each, we get the length of each word. And then what we do is we compare the lengths that we got with the number 5. And then we're going to filter the lines according to that. So these are the words of length 5. And then finally, if we mix the words, then we get the matrix. So the shape of this is 8,672 rows by 5 columns. So in short, what we want to do is we want to mix the lines compressed with the Boolean matrix that you get when you compare 5 with the tally of each of the words in the lines. And the lines, you got them from the quad and get of the path. And so this is the data that you want. Let's take a peek at the first 10 words. So this is exactly what you want. This is the function that you want to implement. So I can go ahead and edit the function load, and we add this code over here. Now this is not path, it's alpha, and instead of hard coding the 5, let's make it an omega, and now we don't need such a long name, so let's call it the lines that get filtered. So now we can fix the code, and now the words are the load 5. How many words do I have? The first 10 words, and these are the words. So these are the first 10 words, and this is the size of the matrix. So this is how you can load your data, and now we can use the user command defs to check the definition of the function load. That's right here. What is more, because we linked the workspace in the beginning with that create command, if I open this file with the dialog editor, it's very small. Okay, it's no longer that small. We can see that the code is in here. So linking the workspace really was nice. It's very convenient. Alright, so that's how you load the data, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to start scoring a guess. Bye.